flywheel. Starter, ground plate, CDI, cable, a regulator, voltage regulator, and a lot of plugs. That is nice. And screws. And even more screws with dry screw lock. This is for the flywheel. And that looks good. Ooh, fancy schmancy. Look at this. Green one is the original, the red one is the SIP, and it's a variable. It changes. It's called SIP Sport. So what does it? The big difference between the two starters is that the pickup contacts are vertical at the VAPE and they are horizontal at the Piaggio. This means here it has to perfectly align with the flywheel. So it's a matter of the crankshaft stump, how high the flywheel sits. If the crankshaft stump is not accurate, it may sit too high, too low, and the contacts may not align of the flywheel and the starter, and then you have funky ignition behavior. And if this is vertical, it doesn't matter. This is great, and that's exactly the reason why I'm changing now to VAPE. Well, let's combine the ground plate with the starter. We'll need some screw lock. Let's pull the cables through. One, two, three. Well, let's put these two together. Dynamic balanced. The magnets are dynamic balanced. The flywheel not, but should be enough if this is balanced. Let's align the holes here and the magnets and the flywheel. There we go. So we're good to go. CDI, some cable, starter, and the flywheel. Well, let's assemble it. So I extended one hole to a long hole, and you can directly mount it onto the engine case, but the holes are a little bit big in the back, so let's use a 7/6 washer. That's a Lusso engine case. So PX young, you could tell. It has a big hole for the cables here. That is good, because the PX old is a pain in the ass. Has a very small hole. The cables, yeah. And if you have a 7 cable starter Congratulations. Silicone spray recommended. You can use the standard static screws. They're fine. Make sure that the cables here are not squeezed. And third one. And have you watched my other guides? Towards the cylinder is less ignition timing. The other direction is more. So what do we need? This is a variable ignition. We need more. So I will fix it like this. If you have a fixed one, you could go like in the middle, or even less, because you need about 18 degrees. 18 degrees is good for every tuning. 177, 86, 210, 20 to 44. 18 degrees is fine. Then what we're going for, we're going in this direction. Flywheel. There's the groove. Always take care of the woodruff key. There we go. That's how it looks. We have here the cables from the stud door. I exchanged these two to bigger ones that they fit the frame electric, and I added the kill cable which goes here, so we can connect that stuff now somehow like this or not. No. Then kill cable. That's the ground that goes, for instance, to one of these screws. Here. I'll fix that later. And we have here plus. And minus, and that was it. That was not it.
Oh, we have fire with it.
Dos. get made. Actually, Bruno, VAPE is in Bruno.
Ein Biest!
Sorry, ja.
Bist du deppert, ist das ein Biest jetzt?